Alright guys, so today I was called out to a drag race by a P90D, and usually I don't do that because it is dangerous to do a drag race, of course, but this guy was really aggressive towards me. I was like, yeah, I want to beat you with a P90D, and I'm going to beat you, and I'm going to be sure that I'm beating you. Like, okay, let's play then. So he told me to wait at the end of the street where I live, and then we would meet up, but at the moment, I don't really see him, so where is he? Oh, I hear something. Oh, here he is. So there's my challenger. Say hi to my youngest boy, Jantis. So he's driving the mini Tesla, which is a P90D, and we're going to have a drag race, and we're going to race it up until that tree there. Make sure that we don't hit a car, of course. And let's see who is going to be the winner. So to be sure I'm going to win this race, I definitely am going to put the car in Ludicrous Plus mode. So you do that by holding the button Ludicrous for about 5 seconds. And yeah, of course, bring it on. Alright, here we go. I can't believe I got my ass whooped by that P90D. I think I'm going to need the Roadster to actually beat that thing. But all kidding aside, my little guy just loves that mini Tesla. It's one of his favorite toys. And if you guys like my videos, please subscribe to the channel using that button there, and don't forget to click that little bell icon so you don't miss out on any new videos. And for now, thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye bye.